Here we are in Garden Grove with our 2-bedroom, 1-bath garage conversion. As you can see here, if you've seen our other videos, City of Garden Grove requires this type of moisture barrier. We have a 10 millimeter plastic, 2 inches of sand, rebar retrofitted into the stem wall. It's a lot of work. So here this customer was blessed that it had a stem wall, but for the city requirements and per plans, it called out for this 18 inches on center rebar number 4. We had a deputy inspection yesterday and we're getting ready for city inspection. If you can see, there's a lot of work involved. We're here to help you any way we can. If you want to tackle on the task on your own, we can also help you with that. It's very important that all these factors are known prior to getting someone to give you a price, and then them not knowing that it requires this, and later on having a change order for something that is required by the city. So it's very important that you get all the information you need. Here we're getting our gas. This is going to be our bathtub, our toilet, and our sink for our bathroom. We're almost ready for inspection. As you can see, there's a lot of work involved. Don't cut corners and do the epoxy without getting a deputy inspection, because the city will require a deputy inspection report. Here is going to be our load bearing wall. This is going to be 1 bedroom with a window of 4x4. And over here is the other bedroom with a 4x4 window for egress. It's very important that you look into all the ins and outs. You can reach me at 310-984-9398. We do in-home consultation for a fee. Give us a call. We can schedule something for you. It's very important that whether you go with us, someone else, that you get all your information prior to starting work. Stem wall, foundation are very important. Here we're going to be running our sewer line and our gas line. It's a lot of work involved. It's very important that you consider all this when you decide to tackle this on your own. Here they did a real bad connection. We have a reverse clean out, so everything coming from the ADU would be going this way and back into the house, which that's not acceptable. So we're gonna redo this. This does become a small change order because this is something that was done and unforeseen. But just giving you an example that if we were to leave this, it wouldn't work and it wouldn't pass inspection either. So right now we're going to be running our gas underneath the house from our meter. We're verifying that we're going to be allowed to, because in some areas we are allowed to, but we're going to the city today to confirm those details that can cause us problems later on. We normally do go underneath, but we'd rather double check with the city. Here we don't have a stem wall. I'm sorry, not a stem wall. We don't have a seismic valve and for the existing home, but we're going to have one for our ADU. If the city requires a seismic valve for the existing, then we would have to talk to the homeowner. So we're going to have 2 options. We plan to go through the bottom and come out here at the end. If we cannot, then we're going to go along the wall, because if we go underground, it's going to be more costly for the homeowner. We would have to break up the concrete. So for now we have 2 options. We're going to go either underneath the house, come out, and go underneath the ground to our new location, to the garage. But if not, If we can't go from the inside, we'll go from the outside above the vents. So we have two options only for this particular case. Then from here we'll come out and we'll go underground back to our garage.